Hi, this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of our student he got placed recently, and he is going to share his experience.
So, hi, my name is Pawan Karthik and I am from Wayanad, Kerala. So, I have completed my MCA from Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies and I have joined PySpiders in the month of July. So, it was a great opportunity for me to like as a part of these PySpiders. PySpiders helped me to crack all these interview rounds and all. So, the knowledge I gained from this institute helped me in a great way for covering all the interview rounds. Especially during my technical rounds, I was worried more in Python round, coding round. At first, while I am coming here, I was not good at coding and all. The knowledge I gained from here, especially from Keshav sir, helped me to cover that part. Like first, when I get the question, I was little nervous, but the training I got from it helped me to recover from that. Then from here, in PySpiders I learned manual testing, SQL, aptitude, and currently I am going with Selenium also. So these all are the subjects I pursuing from here. So thank you sir for giving.
Congratulations, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you sir.